One of the great aspects of the Ngawha Innovation and Enterprise Park is that we have this beautiful, world-class facility now.
The hope and the opportunity it creates for Northland. These buildings should have been here years ago. You know, Northland's lost out in terms of development and facilities because it's got a small demographic base, it's outside the large city, and of course generally last to secure funding, like a lot of regions in New Zealand.
You've got to look at it like that old saying, you know, you give a man a fish and he'll eat it. You teach him how to fish and he'll feed his whole family. You know, the rangatahi, our mokopuna will come in here and this is their ocean. They can choose what they want to do.
It's creating the ability for people to fulfil their own dreams, in my view. They don't have to travel hours and hours anymore. It's on our own doorstep. So we've got employment opportunities, we've got skills-based training opportunities, and we hope to keep adding to that.
So not only is there a commercial and an economic driver for the Innovation and Enterprise Park, but there is also these opportunities to be able to explore how we address the environmental impacts and changes that are happening around a lot of our communities. And so as a repository and an enabler of knowledge, particularly mātauranga Māori, mātauranga whānau, mātauranga hapu, that's one of our aspirations. So we have the business sector there, we have the research sector there, we have us obviously in terms of vocational education and training as Te Pūkenga there. But we think combined, we can actually really deliver on some of the expectations a lot of our communities have.
Within a 50-kilometre radius of this park sits just under 4,000 Māori land blocks. And those 4,000 Māori land blocks have multiple owners, but the park has been set up as a catalyst to help whānau utilise their whenua. So not only are we providing work on the park, the park will become a catalyst for whānau to utilise their own whenua to generate employment for their own whānau. The park has huge ramifications.
I love watching people grow. It's great for Northland, and it's about time that we got something like this in Northland. So I'm really proud to be part of this.
I come here with a different lens every day. Like I'm here as a our tūmaki tuarua, I'm here as a piru helper sometimes in the garden, I'm here as a mama, I'm here as a owner of a neighbouring property to this space. I think it's just good to see something new and fresh, and it's just here in Kaikohe below the maunga pūtahi.